moving ahead with the construction of the quadrilaterals, let us take up one quadrilateral in this case here. Now, for constructing quadrilaterals, we require a minimum of 5 measurements, right? Either 2 angles with 3 sides, or 2 diagonals with 3 sides, or any other combination of it. Okay? Now, in this case, this is a rough sketch of the quadrilateral which we are going to take up. Now, these are the 4 measurements, and the 5th one is, this is the 5th measurement with 5.5 centimeters. Right? Okay. Now, this rough sketch over here is not accurate one as per the measurements given over there. Now, why do we require a rough sketch? It is only to have an idea which type of measurements are there, which line lies where, which side or the vertices, where do they lie. Just to have an idea of it, we have the rough sketch of it. So whenever the measurements are given to us, we first draw the rough sketch of it, and then we proceed with the actual construction. And later, that is after the construction of the figure, as per the given measurements, we have to write it is followed by the construction steps. Now, many children I have seen, we come across that they are interested to do the construction part, but the moment it comes to writing the construction steps, they are not at all interested. Children, construction steps, writing it is very, very important. The written part of the construction after doing the construction is very, very important, and it is very simple. It's nothing there. The way we construct whatever you're doing, it has to be translated into the language. The act of drawing is translated into the words. That's it. That is the construction part. So let us try to understand it, how simpler it is. Okay. Let's see the measurements here. ABCD is the quadrilateral which we have to draw, with AC and BD as the diagonals. AC is of the measurement 5.5 centimeters. BD is of the length 7 centimeters. BC is of the length 4.5 centimeters. CD is of the length 5 centimeters. And AD is of the length 5.5 centimeters. So we have got 2 diagonals and 3 sides which are given to us. Right? So with these measurements, let us construct the quadrilateral. Now, be ready with your apparatus, open your books, keep it ready now, right? Now, as I do the steps, like each and every step, I'll explain it and I'll draw. Along with me, you draw it, right? If anyone requires more time, you can ask your teachers to give a pause to the recording here so that you can also complete the construction along with me. Okay? So the first step is take the scale, on a scale, mark, with the help of the scale, mark AC as 5.5 centimeters. Okay? Coming to the next step of it, what has to be done? Taking A as the center and radius equals to 5.5 centimeters, draw an arc above AC. This is for the side. Okay? So, here we are taking the radius as 5.5 centimeters. We don't say the length in this case. The length is said when we take scale, right? When we take the measurement on the compass and draw an arc. Arc is a part of the circle. Okay? So that is how we call it as radius. Arc is a part of a circle, and in this case, we are drawing a part of the circle. We are drawing an arc over here. So the measurement what you are taking is not called as the length, but it is called as the radius. So taking A as the center, with A as the center and radius equals to 5.5 centimeters, we are drawing an arc above AC, right? Come on. Next step, taking radius equals to 5 centimeters and with the center C, we cut the previous arc. Okay? Next step, now we got a point over here. From A, we could draw one arc. From C, we are drawing another arc on the same arc. So because of its intersection, now a point has been created here, that is D. Next step would be we join AD as well as CD. Join A to D and then join C to D. Then we got the three sides of the quadrilateral now. One more side is required, that is B over here. The vertex B is missing. For that, what has to be done? Let's see that. So taking radius equals to 7 centimeters, from D, we draw an arc below AC. That is your second diagonal. Already one diagonal is existing. The second diagonal measurement is given, which is equals to 7 centimeters. So taking D as the center and radius equals to 7 centimeters, we draw an arc below AC because the position of B would lie below AC. Okay, then taking radius equals to 4.5 centimeters and with the center C, we cut the previous arc so that we get the intersecting point of these two arcs and name it as B. Next step would be join B to A and B to C. As well B to D. So hence, this would be the required quadrilateral. That is ABCD. ABCD is the required quadrilateral with the diagonals AC as well as BD. Okay, children?